Okay, so back at the airport, I will update now which location next. So if you remember from the previous vlog, this is the same place where I started. Literally my go-to spot. So here the trip begins. In the next shot, you will come to know finally where I'm going. Okay, currently we have just landed in Thailand, but that is just a layover. This is not the final destination. It has been 4 hours, that's the reason, and I have not slept at all. That's the reason I look like this, and my voice is also really soft. I hope I'm audible, but yeah, another 2 hours layover and 1 hour flight to the final destination. According to the Indian time, it's like 5:20 in the morning, so it's really early.
Eight 40 it is right.
Yay! I love this name.
Tongyu Cafe. Now on Thai dessert.
Final
نورة
destination.
جيبي مساعد. Just stop. أريد
Now this tiny now my vlog now. I'm putting this, by the way. So think it properly. Okay, what do you want to do? Thank you. ना ना આવશે બહુ આવશે આની અંદર કેમ બધાને લેશે ને
Oh my god.
cut. Okay, so finally have made it to Vietnam, Phu Quoc. So ahead I'll share the day. This is our hotel resort. It is a pure veg restaurant which is in Win World, only Indian food. खाते रहने सो.
Yeah, this song. You like?
You can sing.
वीडियो बदल. थोड़ा चेंज करा भाई.
Just enjoy करो म्यूजिक जो मचल.
that. Mushroom sauce.
Truffle sauce.
Truffle sauce or mushroom sauce?
Okay, so here we have come to the Phuket night market. I don't really want to pronounce the first word because it might sound wrong. But this is the Phuket night market. So this is the Phuket night market. You get food, you get clothes, you get everything possible out here. Okay, definitely worth coming to the night market. The prices are really good. Like even if you don't bargain, still like it's really well priced, and the quality is also really good. So at least 1 to 2 hours, I think you can consider keeping it out here. It's actually nice. Nice shot, yeah.
So where we kept it back? Okay, give me my toaster, please.
Okay, so this is day 2. We are just we have just come for breakfast and just heading to Win World in some time. Bro,
I'm doing it. I'm doing what you're telling me to do.
good. Do.
This is ulta sandwich.
Yes. Ulta toast. Yes, let's go. Apple jam.
Where do I put it down?
Don't have to put it down. You hold it only in your hand, and once it's done, you just eat it.
But I can't take more butter.
Up.
What do I like what? How do I like what?
They say na, how do you like to pay?
Oh.
Face card नहीं मतलब bread card चला दो. Show 2 in 1. हाँ. Nice.
I forgot to put butter, so he's like put it on the other side.
I heard the whole part.
Oh, sorry.
Have a bite. First taste.
Wait.
Slaps na.
Actually pretty good. You didn't get any of the jam. Or the butter.
I'm leaving it.
It's a menu.
चल ले ला ले जल्दी ले यार
You can do it. You can do it. It's not that bad. It's sweet.
આ તો ભાઈનો જ ફોન છે મારો નથી પણ પછી મોકલું જ
Why?
Bye. You don't want to be a part of the vlog? Why we are coming? The wife and siblings day out. Come in. There you are. Mai. Hello. Josh.
Oh, it's still not me.
Yeah, John hai tare. Also, yeah, his bag has been ripped off. Okay, so we are at Win World right now, and it's very funny because all our faces got recognized, and Mai is the only one whose face just didn't get recognized. They are saying that she's not in the system itself. There she is. She had to stand in a separate line because her face just didn't get recognized. So these both brothers just left for their own Rio trip. Mai is still waiting.
For what?
Her face is not getting scanned.
What was she waiting for?
एक काम कर मना आप संभल.
God lied that we created a line. Huh?
Oh yeah, actually. She should thank us instead of shouting. Hey, where are you going? You don't want to sit with Mahi?
Only
Huh?
one people.
Arey, but that's it. But you are a mother, na?
Hey, I hope you blur it out.
No, I don't want to blur it out.
To blur.
I'll delete this clip only. Mahi! See, wait, Yashi, mine will come in. See behind, see, Yashi, see on top, who came in? Akbar.
Akbar from ISIS.
Yes.
Please delete that.
Start climbing. But I think Yash, you'll need that thing behind. Oh, goatee. Yash, you can't climb.
I can't do it. Sorry?
Maintenance.
I could have climbed.
Do it again. Say it again. Say again.
This ball is going to go down, and then it's going to go back to him. Okay? Watch.
Minus 74. Harsh is 74. 37. 37. What? Why do I look so round, bro? Jhada do pacho.
Come closer, come closer. Fast! Done.
Okay, so this is also in Wind Wonders. This is the aquarium part. Then there is a theme park, and then there is a water world. So, yeah, beautiful. ₹1,00,000 નો પિકાચુ. નાક.
What I just pay for it?
હા.
What I open it?
Yash.
Hi, John.
Okay, so we just finished Windworld right now. It's really good, but the theme park along with the water park, it will take you really long. So should ideally start 9 o'clock sharp, and aquarium can waste a little less time. I think that will be really good. And the parade is quite okay, and 6:45 is where the fireworks show starts, and 5:30 sharp the park ends. So gotta plan it that way. And there's an arcade center which apparently like a lot of basketball and all of those other games are free. So definitely worth giving it a try.
Blue cheese has all the flavor. This is now just cheese.
Enjoy.
Right.
Massive. This is again same like that restaurant. Again.
So we're at Durong Dong right now, which is again a night market place. So this place is called the Home Pizza, which you get like Gen Pizza as well as Gen Pasta. And this app, I found this place from the app TripAdvisor, and there's another app called Happy Cows, which serves like vegan and vegetarian. Those are the options which it finds worldwide. So these apps are really good, and I did talk to them, and they did understand like no onion, no garlic. So that was amazing. This is where the night market place is, and this is the place. So this place has Vietnamese iced coffee, and I think it's really good. If you're coming this side, it's definitely worth giving it a try. So day 3 today, we are going to see the Starfish beach. We'll keep you all posted. Of course, this is the better view, I know that. कुछ नहीं बच्चे.
It's the Vietnam. Oh my god, stop.
So have reached the dock. We have to take a boat to the Starfish beach, which is 15 minutes away. Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay, so the Starfish beach, honestly, it's just a hype, and the size of the beach is also really, really tiny. It's honestly just Instagram worthy, and it's not worth at all. And even the beach is very okay, and it's really dirty also. So this is the beach in Winpearl Resort where I'm living. So this is the whole private beach connected right to the resort. So there's no public, there's nothing, and it's really clean, really neat, and it's really big.
I've taken 2-3. Just
So just finished watching the Kiss Bridge. I think the south area is really pretty. It gives Las Vegas, Mexico, everything mixed vibes. So it's really good, worth coming. Ideal suggestion is come by sunset time. It's really pretty that time. So this place is in the north. It is 10 minutes away from Winpool Resort. The place's name is Aura. It has amazing Jain food. It has a great ambience. It has Jain food, and it even has a private pool and a private beach to itself, and a swing for amazing photos, like Bali kind of vibe. So it's beautiful. Definitely must. I recommend it.
This is regular. They don't do that.
Okay.
I haven't seen a black Chinese.
oh,
No, don't pass it back.
genuine regular.
Okay. So finally, the trip has come to an end. Don't keep smiling. Say something.
Oh. I thought you were speaking.
No, though. Then why would I take you? Say now.
It's bittersweet actually, because even though it's coming to an end, we are flying to Hong Kong together.
Second trip. So that will be part of.
Still holiday.
Yes,
Still on a holiday.
that will be part of another vlog. So we end this out here. Last we'll keep a shot of the flight, and that's about it. Peace out.